250 Farmall M.
Which is not available back then.
It's not stock, they're saying. It's got a turbocharger on it.
At that time, International Auto Model A, and there's an example of one here in the front row. Doesn't have any grill or hood on it, but the easy part of that tractor is the engine is offset to the left, so it's really a boon for the truck farmers.
Yep, Paul's been doing a lot of work on these tractors, getting ready for this show.
Then they had a Farmall H with the 214 plow tractor, and actually the pullback tractor here is the Model 300. We replaced that Model H, and then finally the Farmall M. The Farmall M replaced the old Farmall F30, which is a non-final.
Doesn't take long to pull that thing up to the top.
Okay, this tractor weighs up 16 feet 5 inches. 16 feet 5 inches. Lawrence, you did better than the owner of the tractor.